Okay. Hello everyone. Let us discuss 5 more questions on GATE 2013. Let me just well, just give me some time. Yeah. GATE 2014. Yeah. 2013. We are discussing about GATE 2013. Welcome you all. I and let's get started. It is GATE 2013 and this marker is not working, so I have to change it, and I have to change it pretty quick. GATE 2013. We are discussing about it. The first question is from solid state, and you have given that a condition is given where A is not equal to B is not equal to C, and alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degree. You have to tell which type of arrangement of the unit cell resemble this kind of situation or condition. Then orthorhombic is the right answer for this. Orthorhombic. Orthorhombic. Okay, orthorhombic is the right answer for this question. The next question is pretty simple also. You have been asked that the hapticity of C7H8 is what in this molecule. Okay, whenever you have given such kind of molecule and hapticity is being asked, you can follow the 18 electron rule here. So you know that electron count of CO is 2 and we multiply it with 3 is equal to 6. MO comes in which group number? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, so 6 is the electron count for MO, that is 6, and rest is this. You have been asked about the hapticity of this, and it is equal to 18 according to 18 electron rule. So 18 minus 12, which gives you 6. So hapticity of this is 6. That's your question. The next one is Mahatma Gandhi and humanity. This question is also pretty simple and it is from GS actually. You have been asked that what is the right option for Mahatma Gandhi and the word humanity. Mahatma Gandhi and humanity. It has been asked which of the given statement is more appropriate for this humanity for Mahatma Gandhi is the correct option for the all that 4 statements given here. So when you read all that statement, first statement is he played an important role in humiliating exit of British from India. That was not for humanity. Okay, there is no humanity shown by this statement. He worked for humanitarian causes. Okay, that is the correct option. He worked for humanitarian causes. Okay, so that's the right option. He displayed modesty in his interaction. That is also incorrect. He was a fine human being. That is also a statement which do not prove anything. That is why this statement is correct for that question given you. What was that question? Mahatma Gandhi and humanity. So that is your correct option for that. The next question is very simple as this one. What it says? It says that the correct pair which resembles water and pipe. Okay, so it is being clear from this statement that water is flown into the pipe. Pipe is a medium and water is into it. Okay, so the options are cart, road. Okay, that is also incorrect. B, electricity, electricity and wire. Then is your C and beach. Okay, then is your music and then instrument. Okay, so the correct option is this one. Cart and road do not go hand in hand. Cart is not a thing or anything, it is not related with this like this. Water is flown in the pipe, that resembles with electricity which is flown in the wire. So that is your correct option for this uh, statement. You have to be very precise in your question selection, and then you have to do the appropriate procedure for your question. So that is more appropriate, which is resembling with this one, water and pipe. Other options are not so much convincing, so that's why I have chosen B, and that's your correct option also. The next one is the next question is all professors are researchers. All professors, all, today's last question is this one. All professors are researchers. Some scientists are professors. Okay, so logically which statement is correct? First statement is all scientists are researchers. Okay, that is incorrect. All professors are researchers, not scientists, so it is incorrect already. Second is all professors are scientists. It is also incorrect. Professors are researchers, not always scientists. Okay, so that is also incorrect. Some researchers are scientists. Some researchers are scientists. Okay, that may be correct. Fourth one is no conclusion. No conclusion follows. Okay, this is not correct. Whenever you have been asked such type of question, the option which contains or which says like these statements like no conclusion above or anything like this, it is 90% sure that's not your option. First two statements are already incorrect. Let us see this statement. See, some researchers are scientists. Some researchers are scientists. If you know that, if you see it carefully, professors is being linked with researchers. Some scientist is also being linked with the professors. So the professor is the linking unit here. Okay, if you know that we have a mathematical tool, or you can say it is an assumption that if A is equal to B and C is also equal to B, then it is a high possibility that A is equal to C. So if you follow that type of statement here, then you can see that professor is the common link. Professors is the common link. So researchers, some scientists or some researchers may be scientists. Okay, it is correct. It is correct. So that's how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be joining you next time with 5 more questions on the previous year GATE. We have been discussing 2014-15 and it is 2013. So thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, okay. I will rub this and say tata bye bye to you. Thank you for watching it. Yeah, thanks.